Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for young investors, the top mutual funds to consider in 2025. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to diversify your portfolio, this video is tailored for you. So, let's get started. First off, let's understand what a mutual fund is. Think of it as an investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of securities, like stocks, bonds, or other assets. This approach allows investors to access a broad range of investments managed by professional fund managers. It's an excellent option if you don't have the time or expertise to manage individual investments. Now, why are mutual funds great for young investors? Well, time is your greatest ally. Starting early allows you to harness the power of compounding, where your investment earnings generate their own earnings over time. Regular investments in mutual funds can lay a solid foundation for your financial future, offering diversification and professional management. Alright, let's talk specifics. Here are some mutual funds that have shown consistent performance and might be worth considering in 2025. Motilal Oswal Mid-Cap Fund Growth. This fund focuses on mid-cap companies and has shown strong returns over the past year. LICMF Infrastructure Fund Growth, investing primarily in infrastructure-related companies, this fund has benefited from the sector's growth. Bond and Small Cap Fund Regular Plan Growth, targeting small cap companies, this fund offers potential for high growth, albeit with higher risk. Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund. This large cap fund invests in established companies with strong track records, providing stability and steady returns. Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund, a flexible fund investing across various market capitalizations, offering diversification and adaptability to market conditions. Before you jump in, consider these key factors. Risk tolerance. Assess your comfort level with market volatility and choose funds that align with your risk appetite. Investment horizon. Mutual funds are best for long-term goals. Ensure you have a clear timeline for your investments. Diversification. Spread your investments across different sectors and fund types to mitigate risk. In conclusion, mutual funds can be a powerful tool for young investors aiming to build wealth over time. By selecting funds that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance, and by maintaining a disciplined investment approach, you can set yourself up for a prosperous future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe Easygoing Financial channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing. Consider consulting a financial advisor to ensure the chosen funds align with your investment objectives and risk profile.